Hello friends, today we will going to study phases of compiler. So the compiler operates in a various phases. Each phase transforms the source program from one representation to the another representation. So basically the compiler having two main phases, analysis phase and synthesis phase. Analysis phase is work on a front end, where the synthesis phase is work on a back end. So the analysis phase can convert the source code into the intermediate code representation, where at the back end synthesis phase take the input as the intermediate code representation and generate the machine code. So normally the compiler having the different many phases and passes. So what is the pass and what is the phase? Pass is nothing but it is refer to the traversal of the compiler through the entire program. How the compiler will travel from the program, how it is operated throughout the program is represented by the passes, where the phase is nothing but the distinguishable stages under the particular compiler which take the input from the previous step, process that input and find out or the yield the output that can be used as an input for the next stage. That is nothing but the phases. So a pass can have more than that of the one phase. So this is nothing but the phases of the compiler. Compiler contains 6 phases: lexical analyzer, syntax analyzer, semantic analyzer, intermediate code generation, machine independent code optimizer, code generator. These are the 6 steps. And after that, from the code generator, machine dependent code optimizer is used as a target code, and that uses the symbol table for processing. And error handling is the facility provided by the compiler. So these are nothing but the phases of a compiler. We will discuss that phase in brief. So these phases of the compiler is also represented in as shown into the slide. So under this diagram, the source program is given to the first phases. That is nothing but the lexical analysis is called as a scanner of the program, which can generate the token. After that, the token is given to the syntax analysis. Syntax analyzer is called as a parser. That syntax analyzer generates the syntactic structure which is provided further to the semantic analysis. Then semantic analysis uses the integrated circuit generator for generating the intermediate language code. Then that intermediate language code is given to the code optimizer further for generating the intermediate language code with a optimization, and then that code will be given to the code generator to generate the final or the typed language code. And both all these phases uses the symbol table. So this is nothing but the another representation of phases of compiler. So the first phase of compiler is nothing but the lexical analysis phase. Under this, as a name suggests, the lexical analysis provides the lexemes. That lexemes are called as the tokens. So in this phase, the tokens are generated. That lexical analyzer represents these lexemes in the form of the token, as shown into the slide, token name with the attribute value. Second phase is nothing but the syntax analysis phase. Under this syntax analysis phase, the syntax is checked by using the parser, and that recognizes the sentences in the program using the syntax of that language. Whether that program is as per the syntax of that particular language is or not is checked under the syntax analysis. So it will also check the code grammar of that particular program, whether that particular program following that grammar or not. That is the parser check if the expression made by the token is syntactically correct or not. It also generates a parse tree, or it is called as a syntax tree. Third phase is nothing but the semantic analysis phase. Under the semantic analysis phase, the meaning of that particular program is checked. Means after converting the program into another language, the meaning will be changed. So the semantic analyzer keeps track of the identifiers, their types and expression, whether identifiers are declared before use or not, etc. The semantic analyzer produces an annotated syntax tree as an output. Next fourth phase of a compiler is nothing but the intermediate code generation phase. Under this intermediate code generation phase, it will generate the abstract code based on the syntactic structure of the program and the semantic information from the phase 2. Next one is the optimization phase. As the name suggests, it will optimize that code to minimize the space or for the efficient space use. And last stage is nothing but a final code generation. It will translate that abstract intermediate code into the specific machine instruction. So what is the use of the symbol table under the stages of compiler? So the symbol table are nothing but a data structure maintained throughout all the phases of the compiler. So all the phases of the compiler tell the information or take a table of the symbol table for the execution. So this is nothing but the symbol table also used for the scope management. This is nothing but the all discussion of the all phases of the compiler. So in this guys, we have studied the different phases under the compiler. Thank you.